Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet ladies and bracelet designs model. A crochet ladies hand bracelet design is a type of handmade jewelry created using crochet techniques, looping yarn or thread with a hook to form a decorative bracelet worn on the wrist. Instead of metal chains, like in traditional bracelets, crochet bracelets are made with soft materials such as cotton thread, yarn, or even fine lace thread. This gives them a lightweight, flexible, and artistic look. Key features: handmade and customizable. You can adjust size, color, and pattern easily. For soft and comfortable, gentle on the skin compared to metal jewelry. Creative patterns can include flowers, lace, beads, or geometric designs. Eco-friendly option, often made with natural fibers. Common design styles: lace bracelets for delicate, elegant patterns similar to vintage designs. Flower bracelets, a small crochet flower attached for a feminine look. Beaded crochet bracelets, yarn combined with beads for sparkle. Cuff bracelets, wider designs that cover more of the wrist. Charm style bracelets with tiny crochet chips like hearts or leaves. Materials used: cotton thread or yarn, crochet hook, small size for fine work, beads, buttons, or pearls. Optional: clubs, ribbons, or ties for sustaining. 5 people love them. Unique and handmade, perfect for gifts or small business project. Matches well with corkscrew, vintage, or boho styles. If you want to make your crochet ladies and bracelet designs look more professional and unique, here are some cheaper practical tips you can actually use while crafting. Improve your design quality. Use thin cotton thread instead of thick yarn for a more elegant jewelry-like finish. Keep your stitches tight and even so the bracelet holds its shape nicely. Lock your finished bracelet. Lightly shape it with water and dry flat for a neat look. Make it stylish and trendy. Tie layered bracelets. Make 2 to 3 thin ones and wet together. Mix textures, combine lace plus beads plus small flowers in own pit. Use soft, aesthetic colors like cream, dusty pink, shush green, or pastel blue. Add unique details. Attach tiny charms like hearts, leaves, or butterflies. Use pearl or wooden beads for a classy touch. Add a small crochet motif centerpiece like flowers, stars, and mandala. Better finishing techniques. Use a button closer for a vintage look. Try adjustable sliding knots so it fits all wrist size. Hide yarn ends neatly using a yarn needle for a clean finish. Make it comfortable. Avoid rough or sticky yarn. Just soft, skin-friendly thread. Don't make it too tight. Leave a little space for movement. Keep the design lightweight so it is easy to wear all day. Creative ideas for selling or gifting. Create matching sets like bracelet plus ring or bracelet plus necklace. Packaged in cute handmade boxes or paper wraps. Offer custom-made bracelets using thread, embroidery, or beads. Try combining crochet with other materials like fabric lace, ribbons, or even tiny chains. This gives your bracelet a high-end, boutique feel. Focus on fine detailing. Use a smaller hook than recommended to create tighter, cleaner stitches. Practice consistent tension. Uneven tension makes bracelets look messy. Add a subtle picot ends, tiny loops for a delicate lace-like finish. Play with advanced patterns. Try combining stitches like shawl stitch, puff stitch, and picot stitch for texture. Experiment with micro crochet, very fine thread for luxury style bracelets. Experiment with micro crochet, very fine thread for luxury style bracelets. Use spiral or periodic crochet patterns for a modern look. Strength and durability. Use fabric load lightly on knots or secure them, especially for sewing. Choose mercerized cotton thread. It is stronger and has a slight shine. Reinforce areas where clubs or buttons are attached. Creative add-ons. Add mini tassels for a boho vibe. Include a tiny detail charm for personalization. Sew in small, crystal or richness tones for special occasion pieces. Professional finishing touch. Iron lightly with a stem. If safe for the thread, to smooth the design. Keep ends straight by counting stitches carefully in each row. Use invisible joints instead of bulky knots. Make your design unique. Create your own signature style, for example, always adding a tiny flower or leaf. Mix crochet with embroidery details for extra artistry. Design seasonal collections like spring floral, autumn earthy tones, etc. Make a few base patterns and then customize each one with different colors, beads, or motifs. This saves time while still giving variety. Design like a collection, not just one piece. Create theme-based collections: spring cotton, winter rose, ocean breeze. Use the same color palette across multiple designs for a cohesive look. Design bracelets that can be stacked together stylishly. Luxury look tricks. Use metallic thread, gold or silver mixed with cotton for a premium finish. Keep design minimal, sometimes simple equal more elegant. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!